Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear, chaos, and intimidation.
Shut up!
They prayed on my downfall, but this was really you. Average Joe from Texas joined the Navy.
He a plug.
Never went to college.
That nigga broke. He a bum.
Come to find out that ain't not he the one. What up with the YouTube? So we back at it again. It's been a minute. Yes, it has been a minute. And I gotta catch y'all up. Yes, a lot has been going on. Blase. As you can see, I'm in my new spot. So, no, I'm no longer in Texas. We in Maryland. We in Maryland, so got out the military, went to Texas, spent some time out there back home. Like
already tipsy, nigga.
Already sterling. You can't even record the amount of people here.
Turn the camera around.
I gotta make it lit. We got them stepping up there in the front. We was in the front, we was leading to this. Like, let's go. Concentrate about lit. It wasn't what I thought it was, and I seen the temptations. So, ended up being a little lost for a little minute, swirling around. Ended up getting a job offer here in Maryland. A great job offer. I have no complaints with it so far. I've been here about 3 weeks now. Yeah, I ain't had no complaints, man. But let me catch y'all back up. So yeah, like I said, got out of the military. Had a whole big thing. Yeah, that'll be a whole separate story time for itself. Got out of the military. I was chilling for a little while, man. I was just, spending time with family, recentering myself back to the ground, to the earth. Yeah, so went on a cruise. That was...
I was just trying to get to the club. How the fuck we get an art gallery? How do you even have an art gallery? On a ship? Really?
Look at you.
This is based on their tips and donations.
Lovely. As you can see, yeah. The cruise was lovely though. Yeah, man. So once I got for the cruise, then life started hitting me real back with some real deal stuff. So I had to get that all together, work out some stuff, and just happened to be that this job offer came through just at the right time. And then, so yeah, now I am officially in Maryland in my new spot. This is my new apartment. As you can see, I ain't got no pictures on the walls. We plan on changing all that. So give me some time. It's gonna come. Another thing, finally got the track back. So
she a devil, she a bad little, she a rebel.
So yeah, when I got out the military, it was just made it back home. The track Needed a supercharger, a new engine, catalytic converter, and like 2 sensors. I just got that back last Friday, a couple days ago. So yeah, man, it's been a rough little path. As you can see, I'm growing my hair out now too. Got the little braids going. Yeah, so I would say 2023 has been interesting, but nonetheless, you gotta take the straights with the curves, man. That's just how life goes. Everything gonna be, you know, dandies and rainbows and roses, you know what I'm saying? It come with life. So yeah, so planning on getting y'all some more content back with the track. She has a new look, put in subsystems. I got a kill switch. Trying to get the Van True, I think this was called the Van True camera in there. So I can get you guys some POV content, as well as I want to start doing interviews in the car. That's another thing too. So I need to start getting all the gear to start doing either podcasts, either in this room, or to be able to do like a portable podcast with the Track Hawk. I want to make some trips. Now I've been up in Maryland, make some trips to Philly, New York. You know what I mean? Just start driving, because with that being a brand new engine, she got to go 5,000 miles of no getting on the gas, no nothing, just straight grandma driving. So plan on knocking that out, getting that done. Once that gets done, it'll be some real deal hard. Whoa, pause. It'll be some real deal content coming. So once I get all that stuff worked out, find out, you know what I mean, I'm getting back in the swing of this YouTube thing, man. Like I said, we got a new vlog set up, so y'all can come with me now. Here's a little remote for it. Got the vlog set up. What else is new, man? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, man, I'm just keeping it cool, keeping it cordial. Hope y'all been good. That's one. Hope y'all been good. If you aren't good, I hope you are in the stages of getting a plan together and you're not getting discouraged and you realizing that life ain't over with. You know what I mean? Hey, the weapons formed against me, they prospering just a little bit, okay? But unless something that gets you down, you know what I'm saying? Keep smiling, keep shaking it, keep moving. All that's gonna work out, man. So like I said, I was down in the gutter. And then I got this job offer. So, man, God works in mysterious ways. So constantly be on a vision, keep looking out. Yeah, I'm just throw some meme videos in here. I'm not trying to make this video too long. Just saying welcome back. It'll give y'all a day in the life of what I do. I'll be able to take y'all on, you know, actually to work. But videos coming soon, man. More videos. We're getting back active. This is just me saying, hey, what's up? How y'all doing? Introducing y'all to the new setup. Like I said, we got the vlog cameras now. We got the ring light. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna start coming with a lot more videos, a lot more interactions. Hopefully I can meet some people out here and we'll start getting people back in the car.
Do the intro. Do the intro.
So y'all, how y'all doing?
Do the intro. Keep talking. Do the intro.
Well, like, I don't know if the car do the intro or me. I'm nervous. Don't know what to say. I'll be quiet. Okay, I gotta let you focus. But when you put like your movie.
So yeah, man. That's all I gotta say for now. Other than that, I'm Cam, and I hope y'all have a lovely rest of the morning, night, evening, whatever time you're watching it. Like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification button to stay tuned, because, as I said, more videos on the way.
They prayed on my downfall, but guess who really up? Average Joe from Texas joined the Navy, he a club. Never went to college, that nigga broke, he a bum. Come to find out that nigga K.A.M, he the one. How the fuck he made E5 at 21? He don't act his age, he at least 30 some. How he on that motorcycle make that bitch